We have another interesting case of small business pushing back in the world of trademark land. It's a new lawsuit filed in New York federal court by Denise Cesare. She filed a case that I have here to protect her wordmark, Fits Everybody to a T, and the lawsuit has been filed against Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian has a clothing line that uses the moniker Fits Everybody, obviously an overlap there. And Denise followed the rules of trademark law. She went to the PTO and she filed an application for a word mark. She actually was awarded a word mark previously. After getting that word mark approved, which gives her federally registered protection, Kim Kardashian went in for her very similar word mark for an application. It was denied. However, Kim Kardashian said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and proceed anyway. Under her clothing label, using that moniker, she's made about $800 million, and she has avoided cease and desist demands. So now she's being sued by Denise for trademark infringement. This is really remarkably similar to a case we talked about just a couple of days ago regarding Taylor Swift, under very similar facts and circumstances. As we talked about last time, there's a concept here of first in time, first in right. And there's two elements that are big takeaways here for businesses. The first is that the rules of IP protection related to trademarks are not difficult. If you turn square corners and if you follow the rules, and if you're first in time, first in right to get a trademark registration approved at PTO here in the Washington area, then you get a registration protection. The second takeaway here is that you can then use that to have standing to protect your trademark. Beware, because as a small business, you may have to go up against huge monoliths with almost endless financial resources like Taylor Swift and Kim Kardashian. However, if you follow the rules, then as long as you stand your ground, then you can get important trademark protection. There's a lot of dollars at issue and at stake in these cases, so we'll see how these cases unwind. I think Kim Kardashian is going to have a very difficult uphill battle here, and we'll keep you posted in terms of what happens next in this case.